So in this video, I'm going to talk about an affiliate marketing strategy for beginners to get traffic to your affiliate links. And I'm going to show you exactly step by step what you need to do in order to get more traffic to your funnel. Because once you have set up your 24/7 sales system, you need to send traffic so you can make commissions. Now, one of the best traffic sources you can use is YouTube. And I'm going to show you how to do keyword search and how optimize that video so you can rank in the first spots. Because if you're able to do that, you're going to send more traffic to your links. Let's say that I want to rank for the keyword affiliate marketing. That keyword has 823,000 searches per month. If I click enter, these are the results. But more importantly, I have installed this software on my YouTube channel. The name is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy tells me if the keyword is good for my YouTube channel. If I click here for the weighted score, the overall score is poor. That means that if I use that keyword as my title, it's going to be hard to rank on YouTube. But we can use a long tail keyword to improve that score. And if I write affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023, the overall score increases to 60. That's why this strategy is so powerful, because if you can get a keyword with an overall score of 100, you're going to have a high probability to rank on the first spots. Check this out. I recorded a video and wrote this title, 3 proven ways to get traffic to your affiliate links. And if I write this title on YouTube, my video is ranking in the first spot. And I think that this is a great way to increase the traffic to your affiliate links. If I click on my video, TubeBuddy tells me that the SEO score of that video is 100. And that's why I put the same keyword on the first paragraph and in the tags. I have my keyword here as well. I have an optimized description and long tags. If you want to use this software, TubeBuddy, I'm going to put my link in the description. It has a free version and a paid version. I use the paid version because I want to be able to see the weighted score. That means that TubeBuddy analyzes the keyword for my channel. And if you use the free version, you are going to see only the unweighted score. The unweighted score is a general score for how good this keyword is to target based on search volume and competition. Now, if you want to learn how to set up a 24/7 sales system, you can watch this video, how to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing, in which you'll learn how to set up properly the system. And if you want to use the same system I have to make commissions online, click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.